Hi, we're Kat and Ellen and we run BAM Botanics in South East London. We make and sell botanical accessories such as hand-painted pots in monochromatic patterns. We also hand knot macrame plant hangers using 100% recycled cotton yarn and teach macrame classes online and around London. The plants we source all have London life in mind, low maintenance and air purifying, including devil's ivy, philodendrons and aloes. The welfare of the planet is really important to us, and we try our best to keep this at the centre of our ethos, from the materials used in our products to the packaging that we choose. Check out our website, bambotanics.co.uk, and we hope to see you at a local market soon. Thanks so much to the South East London Edit for featuring us.